Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Beeos hair. They sent me this bomb pre-cover hair. It did come curly, but I ended up straightening it. It definitely was a look, definitely was very natural. I did not bleach the lace. I didn't do anything to the lace, y'all. Definitely laid very well. The hair did take the heat well. Literally everything was a 10 for this bob wig. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy making and collabing with Beeos hair.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I feel about you, you wish you wait. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you around. Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away, really, really wanna. I just wanna get away, sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah. I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, kiss you, yeah. I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, I want you around, I want you around.
So this is the final look. I had decided to wear it in a half up, half down. Y'all, this definitely was a look. Don't play with them. And don't play with me, because period. You can use my discount code. It will be in the description box. Everything that you need to know about this wig and this company, Beeos Hair, will be in the description box, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you already haven't. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. And I will see y'all in my next video.